How to install or uninstall the Wireless Display app in Windows 11. The Wireless Display app in Windows 11 lets users project their screen wirelessly to Miracast compatible displays or devices. Whether you're presenting in a conference room, sharing content in a classroom, or extending your display setup, the Wireless Display app is something many organizations rely on. In this video, we'll walk through 3 different ways to install or uninstall the Wireless Display app in Windows 11 and review how to verify whether it's already present on a device. Before we begin, be sure to subscribe to NinjaOne's IT Video Hub for more tech content like this. 3 methods for installing or uninstalling the Windows 11 Wireless Display app. To use the methods in this video, you'll need Windows 11, any edition, a device that supports Miracast, administrative privileges, an active internet connection for installation. If those requirements are met, let's get into the methods. Method 1, Windows Settings app. To install, open Settings, Win+I, select System, then Optional Features. On some devices, you may need to select Apps first. Click View Features under Add an Optional Feature. Search for Wireless Display. Select the checkbox, click Next, then click Install. Windows will download and install the wireless display capability, which may take a few minutes. To uninstall, go to Settings, System, Optional Features. Under Installed Features, find Wireless Display. Click it, then choose Uninstall. You can confirm installation by returning to the Installed Features list and checking whether Wireless Display is present. Method 2, Command Prompt. This method is recommended for IT admins managing domain-joined machines or for environments where scripting is preferred. To install, run this command. To uninstall, run this command. A restart isn't required, but is recommended for a clean install or removal. Optionally, you can also check your device's capability status using Method 3, PowerShell. This option is ideal for scaling deployments, customizing Windows images, or provisioning devices through tools like Intune or CCM. To install the wireless display feature, to uninstall the wireless display feature, a reboot is optional, but recommended after installation or removal to ensure full functionality. Optionally, you can also check the installation status using If you're using automated provisioning or RMM workflows, you'll want structured error handling and logging. The blog includes a complete example script that you can integrate directly into automation pipelines. Wireless display is a lightweight but useful capability, especially in environments that rely on flexible presentation or screen sharing workflows. Each method we covered offers a straightforward way to install or uninstall the wireless display feature. For more information, check out our official blog post on how to install or uninstall the Wireless Display app in Windows 11, linked in the description below.